Hi Sana, how are you doing? So let us solve this problem. 4 into 4x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 into 6 to the power 2. So we have to find out the value of x. So this is a question. Okay. So let us try to expand it. Okay. So 4 into 4x to the power 7 can be written as 4 to the power of 7 into x to the power of 7, which is equal to 4 power 6 power 2, which can be written as 4 power 6 into 2, which is equal to 4 to the power of 12. Okay. So this is just a bracket. So we can write 4 into 4 to the power of 7 into x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 to the power of 12. So 4 into 4 to the power of 7, we can write it as 4 into power of 8 into x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 to the power of 12. So x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 to the power of 12 divided by 4 to the power of 8. So that means 4 to the power of 12 minus 8. So which is equal to 4 to the power of 4. So it is simplified now that x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Now we have to match the power as same here 7. So here also we have to try to bring it to the 7. So 4 into 2 is 8. So it is not that simple, right? So what we can do is 4 to the power 4 into 7 by 7. Let us do. Okay. So the value will be same no as 4. So 4 into 7 by 7. So this can be written as 4 to the power 4 by 7 into 7, right? I am just bringing this 7 in as denominator of here, and then I am writing this numerator 7 as it is. Just I have shifted the denominator to this 4. That's all I have written. So that means 4 to the power 4 by 7. Here into 7 is there. For example, 6 into 2 means 6 to the power of 2, right? So similarly here we have 4 to the power of 7 into 7. That means we can write 4 to the power 4 by 7 power 7. Both are same, right? Because 4 by 7 into 7 is 4 by 7 into 7, right? Now if we write the left hand side, it is like x to the power of 7. So x to the power of 7 is equal to 4 to the power 4 by 7 power 7. So here now in both the places the power is same. So that means x is equal to whatever the value is there, this x is 4 to the power 4 by 7, because power here also is 7, here also 7. So that means x is equal to whatever is inside. So x is equal to 4 to the power 4 by 7. This is the answer. We can check it, verify it. How to verify it? Let's substitute and then verify it. 4 into 4 into this 4, then x. Instead of x, let us put 4 to the power 4 by 7 power 7, which is equal to 4 into 4 to the power of 7 into 4 to the power 4 by 7 into 7. So 4 into 4 by 7 is 4 to the power of 8 into 4 to the power of 7 into 7 is 4. 7 and 7 will get cancelled, which is equal to 4 to the power of 12. So which can be written as 4 to the power 6 into 2, which is equal to 4 to the power of 6 power 2, which is equal to right hand side. So this is the answer. So the value of x is 4 to the power 4 by 7. So the important point here we have to notice, here 7 is there, here 4 is there. How to make it to the power of 7? That means we have to simply multiply and divide by 7, and then we have to move the 7 this side. So it will be 4 by 7 into 7. Then we can write in power 7. Then it will match. Okay. So x to the power